What if I told you that just 30 days from now you could fire your boss, clear your debt, and start living life on your terms? Sounds impossible? It's not, because financial freedom isn't a fantasy, it's a formula, and today I'm handing it to you. 30 days, one goal, financial freedom. Step 1. Audit your life. You can't change what you don't track. First, list every expense, income source, and financial leak. Cancel unused subscriptions. Use free apps like Mint or Notion. This step alone can free up hundreds of dollars. Step 2. Create a 30-day money map. Set a laser-focused goal. Pay off $500 debt or make your first $1,000 online. Break it down by day. Success loves clarity. Step 3. Start a micro-income stream. Choose a simple side hustle. Sell AI-generated ebooks, use print-on-demand, or offer Fiverr gigs. You don't need a degree, just direction. Step 4. Implement the 70-30th rule. Live on 70%, invest or save 30%. Whether it's stocks, index funds, or crypto, start small, but start smart. Step 5. Automate and expand. Set auto debits for savings. Reinvest side hustle profits, build momentum. This is how real wealth begins, not with luck, but with systems. Listen, the next 30 days will pass anyway. Why not use them to build your freedom? You don't need to be rich, just consistent. Start now and thank yourself in a month. Like this video if you're ready to take control. Subscribe for more wealth secrets. And comment below. What's your day one goal? Your journey starts today. Don't wait. Win.